Is FabFitFun worth it? Let's find out. We're gonna do an unboxing of the Winter 2024 FabFitFun box. As you can see, this is it right here, and I can already tell that this is gonna be a good one. So if you're not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a customizable seasonal box that you can have come directly to you with 6 full-size products. These boxes value at $300, $350, and you pay a fraction of that, and you get to pick the products that you get. I will say, yes, I did pick these products, but I already forgot what I picked. So it's almost like 2 surprises, because you get a surprise when you pick, and then you get a surprise when they arrive, because I really don't remember everything that I picked for this box. I do remember being really, really impressed as I was picking the items, and if you've been around for a while, you know that I actually did try FabFitFun several years ago, and I could already tell just from the selections that I had to choose from that they have made a major upgrade. Let's go ahead and start diving into the box. I haven't opened her yet, but as you can see, one, I feel like this packaging is kind of amazing. It feels like a gift as it arrives. So whether you're gifting it to yourself or maybe you're giving it to somebody else, it definitely feels really, really special. I love these like added holiday details. This is perfect for this time of year. Let's go ahead and start diving into all of the goodies. I have wanted to try these Let Me Glow hair, skin, and nail gummies for a while. I've tried some other gummies from this brand and I really did enjoy them. This retails for $30 alone, so we're already at $30 for the value of this particular box. Let's go ahead and pop one in right now. So like I said, this is a hair, skin, and nail gummy. There is biotin in these. There is also collagen in these and pro-retinol as well. You get 60 gummies and you do 2 gummies per serving. These are very, very good. Really excited about these. Next up is this Everyday Body Milk Chill Peppermint Mandarin Cypress. This is a hydrating weightless lotion by Rosie Jane. This actually retails for $28. Let me go ahead and open it up. I kind of want to check out the packaging here. This is a full-size product. This is definitely something that I would buy and purchase on my own if I were out and about shopping. I love this jar. I kind of want to try it. I do actually need a little bit of lotion right now. Ooh, okay. I like how lightweight this is. This is perfect to throw on right after a shower when you need just a little something, but you don't want something too thick. I love this, and it smells really, really good. This would also make a really good gift or like stocking stuffer. I will definitely get some use out of that. Okay, I do remember picking this. This is from Wonder Beauty. This is the Beauty Sponge Ornament. I want to say this has a few different sponges and puffers in here. This retails for $20. Are you paying attention to the value that we're at? This is, you can kind of separate these. Obviously, they're great gifts for yourself, but you could also separate these as individual gifts. So this is a little ornament. We've got 2 beauty sponges, and then we have 2 beauty puffs. I have actually been wanting to try these like beauty puffs. These are like really soft and velvety. And then you also get, is this like a body exfoliator to kind of exfoliate the body? No, it is not a body exfoliator. It is actually for cleaning your brushes. When's the last time you cleaned your brushes, by the way? If it's been a while, make sure that gets done after this video. I feel like these are a must-have. If you're not using something like this to clean your brushes, it's a must. You basically just swirl your brushes on this, move it a few different ways to really get deep into your makeup brushes to clean them correctly. This is a great little gift to try out some different products from this brand. I'm actually really, really excited to try these. These are so, so soft. I'm excited about this. I also remember picking this, and I was super excited about this. I don't know about you, but I like having fun little things for my kitchen. This one is a soup bowl set. This is from Rock Your Body. This actually retails for $48, and you get, Oh my goodness. Okay, how adorable are these soup bowls? You get 2 of them in this really beautiful green and this really pretty ivory color. You can actually bake in these. You could even do desserts in these. This would be so cute for entertaining. This would be so beautiful served on the table. These would also be a really good gift for somebody that maybe just enjoys cooking or likes having little special dishes in their kitchen. This is another kitchen gadget that I have wanted to add just because I feel like it's very aesthetic. It's very much a vibe. It is a honey pot and dipper. This retails for $40. Okay, how stinking cute is this? You have the little lid, but then you also have the honey dipper to kind of serve your honey. Ugh. This one retails for $40. We're at a really good place value-wise. I picked some really good things for my box. And last up is the most valuable item. This is a piece of jewelry from Ana Luisa. I'm actually really familiar with this brand. I love their jewelry. They also included a coupon code here for my next purchase with them, so I will be saving that. This is a necklace that I did choose. It is in gold, tarnish resistant, which is one of the reasons why I love this particular brand. Did I already mention that this retails for $75, which is already on its own over the value of what you pay for this box? This is so beautiful. So this is the Aina necklace. It is a stainless steel, but it is 14 karat gold plated. And like I said, all of their jewelry is tarnish resistant. They have a really, really good warranty with their jewelry. Look at how smooth that gold is. That is so beautiful. And like I said, the value of this necklace, $75, is more than what this box costs. I feel like we can all admit that this is a really amazing value for what the box costs. If you're not familiar, let's go and dive into 2 different options that you have to go and get started with your FabFitFun membership. First up is gonna be the best savings, and that's gonna be your annual membership. The annual membership is $219.99 per year. That makes each box, you get 4 per year, $55. But if you use the coupon code that I'm gonna pop here on the screen, everything's gonna be in the info box as well. You'll actually get an additional $200 gift just for joining. The next option is gonna be the seasonal membership, which is $69.99 per box. Yes, all 6 full-size products for $69.99. You can stop at any time. You just basically get a box every season at that rate, but you're not pre-purchasing a year membership at once. And if you use the coupon code as on the screen, you'll get 20% off your very first box. I'll make sure to put the coupon codes and all of the information down in the info box. It is a different code for the annual membership versus the seasonal membership, so make sure to keep that in mind. But I definitely feel like the value of the products that you get and the fact that you get to choose the products, I feel like that is key. If you're getting random products that you may not ever use, that is one thing. But when you're paying $69 or $55 for 6 full-size items that you got to choose, I feel like this is a really good value. I'd love to know your thoughts down in the comments. Let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out, and thanks again to FabFitFun for partnering with me on today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.